Let's get to the final trade of the day now with pro trader Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist at bullseyeoption.com. Hello to you, Alan. Earnings season is strong.
Hello, Angie. Another hot week in stocks. Now, 90% of the S&P 500 companies reported, and 80% of them have beaten their earnings estimates. So that's a powerful market. And here Monday, we got within 20 points of making all-time highs once again in the S&P.
What about the recent selling in the stock market?
Now, yes, 2 Fridays ago, we did have that key reversal top where the markets made new highs on a weekly basis and then closed lower on a weekly basis. So that was somewhat destructive. Now, that was in the short term. The NASDAQ, the NDX 100, has already come back and made new highs, whereas the S&P, like I said, is still a little bit away to completely erase that top in place.
What's next for you with your trading?
All right, so we've had a big comeback. So it's about risk reward as we continue to talk about here. And I've been watching the Chinese stocks. Now, the Chinese stocks, if you look at FXI, which tracks the whole China market, it's about 30% off of where it was in 2021. So it still hasn't had a full recovery like the United States market has and so many around the world. So the risk reward play I'm looking at again is Weebio, WB.
What's your trading plan?
WB is trading about 975 right now. It's been trading between 7 and 12 for 1.5 years, trading sideways along this bottom. It's still 85% off its 2021 top, so has a lot of catching up to do, just not only for itself, but for the overall Chinese market. And it's also got a PE of 5. 5 is the PE, so it's very inexpensive in many ways. So again, between 7 and 12, so 950 is a midpoint that it's important to see how it acts on this pivot. We're back above it. We're at 975 right now. All right, again, money flow. Risk reward play. Now we're looking at an option here because the volatility is relatively low. We can buy a January option. January has 5 months of time. Buy more time than you need. The January strike is non-conventional, so it's a 920 strike. So it gives you the right to be long from 920. January 920 is trading for about $1.50 right now. So it's a very inexpensive option as well. And if we get back to that 12 level, this option will gain nearly 100%.
We do hope that for you, Alan. Thank you.
Thank you.